Retiring in 2026 could be one of the smartest moves you ever make, but only if you avoid the hidden financial mistakes most retirees didn't even know they were making. 2026 is right around the corner, and for many Americans nearing retirement, this year brings both opportunity and risk. Today, we're breaking down exactly what you must know to retire safely, from Social Security and healthcare to smart withdrawal strategies and emergency planning, all backed by expert insights you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about Social Security. In 2026, the program is adjusting benefits, including a new cost of living adjustment, meaning average monthly payments will increase slightly for retirees. The earnings limits for those still working are also higher, and if you delay claiming until age 70, you could lock in significantly bigger monthly checks compared with claiming early. These changes can boost your income stream in retirement and give you much greater financial stability. But timing is critical. Deciding when to claim Social Security should be coordinated with your overall retirement income plan. Waiting longer may give you higher guaranteed income for life, especially if you expect to live into your 80s or beyond. Next, let's look at your budget. Experts recommend creating a detailed retirement budget now, not just guessing. Track your current spending and think about how it will change when you retire. Some costs like commuting and work clothes go away, but others like travel, hobbies, home maintenance, and healthcare can increase. Many financial pros still use a target of replacing around 70 to 85% of your pre-retirement income. But that number must be personalized to your lifestyle and spending goals. Speaking of healthcare, this is one of the biggest expenses retirees often underestimate. If you're retiring before Medicare at age 65, you'll need private coverage, which can be expensive, sometimes thousands per month, until Medicare kicks in. Even after Medicare starts, premiums and out-of-pocket costs can add up, so plan ahead. Now, let's talk about your investment strategy as you get ready for retirement. The traditional 4% rule, withdrawing 4% of your portfolio per year, is being reevaluated by experts in light of market conditions. Some suggest a more flexible approach, adjusting your withdrawals based on market performance and your income needs. To reduce the risk of running out of money later in retirement, a common safety strategy is to build a cash bucket of 1 to 2 years of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or money market fund. That way, if markets dip right as you retire, you won't be forced to sell investments at a loss to pay your bills. Another overlooked area is behavioral finance. Many retirees unintentionally spend more than planned, especially in the first year when retirement feels like a long vacation. Without discipline and structure, spending can quietly creep up and drain your savings faster than expected. Experts encourage having clear spending rules and regular check-ins on your financial plan to avoid this. Taxes also matter, and in 2026 there could be changes that affect how much you pay on withdrawals. Smart tax planning before you retire, such as Roth conversions, while tax rates are favorable or spreading withdrawals over time, can increase your after-tax income in retirement. Finally, don't forget emergency planning. A solid emergency fund, ideally more than the traditional 6 months, gives you peace of mind and protects your retirement savings from unexpected shocks, like home repairs, healthcare needs, or market downturns. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about freedom, purpose, and peace of mind. So take the time now to build a detailed plan, check your numbers, ask the right questions, and get professional guidance if you need it. If you want a free 2026 retirement planning checklist that walks you through these steps and more, comment 2026 SAFE below or click the link in the description. Subscribe for weekly retirement insights that help you retire confidently, not nervously. Your safest retirement starts with a smart plan, and we'll walk you through it one step at a time.